Trejo's background was much like ours will be when we finish our MFAs. He was hired as a museum educator while he was working on his MFA in collaborative design, which is a combination of design thinking, creative strategy, and visual problem solving. He was taking courses just like this design thinking studio course. While taking courses and working as an educator, he helped build a new group that enhanced the reach and impact with Latino visitors and community members. They were called SOMOS, which means we are. Ron Bigelow was the museum director at the time, to whom Trejo presented his methods and outcomes of SOMOS. Bigelow decided it would be interesting for him to join as a design thinking fellow at Crystal Bridges Museum. After he graduated, he was hired as the first design thinking fellow at the museum, and the first in the country according to the interview. As design thinking fellow, he was hired to help execute the museum's strategic vision. He led teams from many different disciplines through design thinking methods so they could tackle complex problems, or wicked problems, as we discussed. Trejo said the most enjoyable part of the work was collaborating with the team of various museum staff, but he also said that the biggest challenge was letting go and realizing that he had a team to help him. I thought it was interesting that the same thing, the team of collaborators, was both the best and the hardest part of his process.